In this video, I'm going to talk about on how you can fix the ring spotlight camera if it's not connecting to Wi-Fi, and there are two things that you can try. The first thing that you can try is that you can connect it to different devices. So when you, let's say you have Samsung, Android, try to connect it to iPhone. This is the first thing that you can try if it's going to work out. And the second thing that you can try is that you just want to, on the top of the ring, you are going to have this button for reset. And what you want to do is just want to hold it to 30 to 40 seconds, maybe like 2-3 times in a row. You're going to press and hold it, it's going to reset, and you're going to try it again. And this is something that you can try, and possibly it's going to solve the issue. But primarily, and of course, try to have the router closer to it. Also, try to use different device and then try to reset, and maybe some of it, I hope it's going to work in your favor. And let me down in comments what actually helped you, so we can help each other out when other people would come and watch this video, that they would know that okay, what they can actually do to solve the issue, because this is frustrating. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.